Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, what we want to do is we want to talk about the periodic table and where on that periodic table are the elements that are the easiest to oxidize. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the periodic table. Remember, oxidizing or to oxidize is elements that are readily um, able or available to give away their electrons. And so remember, as we look at the periodic table, over here on the first column are our alkali metals, and they typically have oxidation states of a +1. And so they have one electron that they easily and readily want to give away. So over here, because these are freely able to give away electron, they are going to be the easiest to oxidize. And the same goes for your column 2 metals, your alkaline earth metals. Remember, they have a +2 oxidation state, which means they have 2 electrons that they're readily able to give away. So remember, oxidizing or easy to oxidize means how easy are you or how ready available are you to give away your electrons. So over here, these are the elements that are more likely to give away their electrons and be oxidized, which conversely, if you look on the other side or the right-hand side of the periodic table, if you look really starting at the halogens, and remember the halogens are the 7th column right here. So it's going to be these guys right here. And remember, these guys have an oxidation state of -1. And so remember, they only need one more electron to get their 8 valence electrons. And so they are ready easily to accept or take an electron. So, and only one electron. So these are going to be the least ones that are going to be able to be oxidized. And the same thing here, starting with your oxygen column, your 6A column. These have an oxidation state of -2. So these two columns right here are the columns that are also known as your will easily take electrons, where the first two columns are going to be easily to release. So these are the easiest to oxidize. These are the least easiest to oxidize.